Hey everybody, this is Derek with IncomeSmasher. Today we're going to go over, how to start a blog and make money blogging. There is just millions of blogs out there and millions and millions and millions of websites, and you got to, figure out what niche you're going to go into, pick the right, you know, niche, what you're going to do with the blog, and then you've got to attack it the right way. So today we're going to go over with you, how to start a blog and then how to monetize and make money with blogging. And hopefully this helps you, start your own blog and get to, in the next year or two, making extra money or side income to help you and your family out. Now, if you can, stay to the end. We're going to give you the number one thing you can do on your blog once you start your blog and you start generating traffic to make money using your blog. So stay to the end. If you can, hit the like and subscribe button so you can get notifications of all the new content we have coming out to help you make money online and offline. So let's get started. If we look here, the first thing you want to do is you need to pick a niche. Okay, so when you start a blog, you got to write on something. You can't just write about everything. You'll never gain any traction. You'll never get posted on the search engines. You got to narrow your niche down. So if you look here on IncomeSmasher.com, how to start a blog, we kind of go through, every step you need for how to start a blog. This step is pick a niche. And there's different things you want to be careful about when picking a niche. And what I would do is niche down. Don't niche down too far, but niche down. Now, if you look at the top most competitive niches in 2021, they're going to be finance, making money, travel, fitness, personal development, relationships, lifestyle, real estate, technology, and cooking. Now, what you need to know about these niches, the top 10, is they are super competitive. Very hard to get into. It'll take you years and years and years to really gain the traffic and to make the money. So what you need to do is you need to niche down. If you want to go into these areas, you want to kind of niche down to a smaller niche. Like if you're in fitness, maybe you want to do yoga fitness, or you want to do HIIT program like high intensity interval training, how to do that. And then as your smaller niche site gains traction, you can expand into other fitness and get in shape kind of different topics, right? So that's starting a niche. And then you want to look at Google Trends. And let's say you want to go in the finance niche, right? You want to just see what there is there. So if you go to Google Trends and you type in whatever it is you want to look at. So let's say we want to look at yoga. And then you can look to see, hey, is this trending steady? Is a lot of people looking for it? What's the thing? So as you can see, this has trended pretty good. It's remained in between 75 and 100 or 50 and 100. And it's not going down. Now, there's been spikes, but that's not really of concern. You just want to make sure it's not diving down, right? You want an evergreen niche, a niche that'll last forever, like weight loss. People are going to want to lose weight from now until the end of time. So the other thing you want to do is you want to look at buying a domain. I use Namecheap. They're very inexpensive. You can go in here and put in whatever keywords that you want to buy a domain and use that. If you really need to look around to find what kind of keywords out there, you can use Nameboy. It's like a keyword generator or a domain name generator. And you just type in like making money. Let's see if I type in that right. And you hit submit. And so basically, if I want to make a website on making money, I want to see if that comes up. And making money is obviously not available. So then what you do is you can go down through here and say, look at the different other keywords that they put together that are available. Making money about, empire making money. So some of these words aren't going to make sense, but you might find one that does make sense and there's one that you want to buy. So just keep putting a bunch of different keyword variations in here and you'll sooner or later, find a domain name that makes sense. Then you want to sign up for hosting. I use DreamHost. All these websites are going to be in my description. You can click on them and go to them and check them out. But I use DreamHost for mine. It's pretty cost effective. have a huge uptime, 99.9%. A lot of people also use Bluehost, very popular. A lot of blogs use it, especially starting out, so they use one of these two. The other thing you want to look at is a theme, right? So once you get your niche, you get your domain name, you get your hosting, you need to build your website in WordPress, which is what we recommend. And you can use GeneratePress. I use GeneratePress currently on mine. It's lightweight and it's fast. A lot of these other themes you buy, they will be real bulky. They'll slow your website down, and that hurts your rankings in Google. As you can see, I have GeneratePress here on my website. This is the back end. Once you get everything set up, you'll install WordPress, and it looks like this. And then under Appearance, I was able to download GeneratePress theme. Now, I did buy the Pro because I wanted more ability to create different things with Pro. The light one, the free one, is basic, and I wanted to add more features to my website, so I got the Pro. And you can too. Like I said, just hit the link in the description and you can go and get it if you need it. And then, once you get everything set up, then you're going to have to, set up your SEO, drive traffic to your website. You're going to have to go out and get backlinks, do guest posting, monetize all your stuff. And here in a minute, we're going to go over how you can monetize. And at the end, like I said, we're going to go over what's the best way to monetize your website, the one that you will make the most money at the end of this. So stick around. But, the key is to get started and start building your website. And then when you want to monetize it, when you start driving traffic and you need to monetize your website, then we want to look at things like Dirt Bike Planet, right? One way you can monetize is through ads. So currently they have ads on here. People click on these ads as they're going through, this affiliate website here, Dirt Bike Planet. Affiliate, they'll get a commission. So every ad somebody clicks on, Dirt Bike Planet, whoever owns this, gets a little piece of the action. So the other way that Dirt Bike Planet makes money is through this ebook. So they have this Dirt Bike Garage Manual, right? So they created this ebook, put it on their website. If somebody comes on this website and wants this Dirt Bike Manual, they can go and buy it. It's $14.95. Now this is pure profit, $14.95. Once they create this ebook, it goes to the email. Whoever buys it, it goes to their email, and boom, they make 15 bucks. So that's a great way to make money at an ebook of your expertise on whatever niche that you start. You can have somebody help you write that. The other way they make money is they do recommended gear, right? So affiliate is a huge way to make money on niche sites. So they're like, hey, if you want the best helmets, come check out this helmet, right? You go check it out, and they tell you why they think this is the best helmet. And then there's a link, and see the link to Amazon. So you click this link, go to Amazon. Anything you buy on Amazon, you get an affiliate commission because you came from their website to Amazon. So that's another great way. Another thing you can do is you can create a members only website where people have to subscribe to join, and then they get information, right, on your website. So it's a membership website. And then really the number one way that we want to share with you on making money, this is where people really bring in the cash when they have an affiliate or they start a blog or they have a website, right? And the number one way is going to be selling a course, right? So if you look here, these guys sell a course, right? Courses, and it's called Authority Hacker. I bought this course a long time ago. It teaches you, or about a year ago, teaches you how to do niche sites and how to build up a niche site and how to make it profitable. And so I use a lot of their tactics on my websites. It's really helped out me a lot. These are not cheap. So these guys created this really comprehensive course. Probably took them 6 months to build this course. But now they sell this course online, and they make, at least the first course that they have, I know they have more advanced courses, but their first course is, I think, over 500 bucks. $500. You get 1,000 people to buy that in a year, and you can calculate that's pure profit, $500 profit every time. So creating your own e-course, putting it on your website or Udemy or Teachable or something like that where people can go and find it and learn from you some expertise you have, and they will pay you tons of money for this. And that is the number one way to make money on your blog or website.